Is your foot supporting his ankle?
So when I stamp on my outer heels, I feel like my tops of my feet
Feet
fall
are
out.
rotating out. No, what I'm saying is, even though the thighs rotate in, I'm stamping on the outer heel so they pull away from each other. Okay, this is not a good rotation. I'm collapsing in. Rotate in, yes, but push out. So right around my sacrum, I feel space.
And you're saying the challenge in Bruce's body is that structurally his femurs are falling inward.
So it's not this action.
Yeah.
It's this action. Rotate the foot in, but pull out. Instead of Uttanasana, do all hand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This would be fine, except now I'm collapsing in. So I have to move out. Like I'm trying to pull the sit bones away from each other here. So you're rotating the foot out, don't do that. Literally imagine if there are two ropes here pulling you away from each other, what would that feeling be? Okay. And hang back. That's what you should feel. You can put the butt on the wall, that's fine. Just hang forward. Don't think down, think forward. Yes. Is your foot supporting his ankle? Pull out as with all your weight. Yes.
The challenge is how can I pull this outward or laterally away?
No,
but
see, the
not-
way you are describing tells me you're doing something incorrect.
Mhm.
You're describing femur out this way. No, you don't do this, do this. This is the movement. Okay, if you put your hands in the front, you're rotating out. Rotate in and pull out. Okay.
Oh, that doesn't feel good.
Yes. So begin with this at the top of the thigh like this. Now slowly release your right hand from the floor. Bring the other foot here. Anchor it down, yeah. And then turn like Ardha Chandrasana.
This way, I hope.
Yeah. So you're hanging from the inner femur here.
Okay,
I won't do it now, but when I was younger, I would stand with one leg here, the other leg here. So I can do it with my hands here. When you come out, not like that,
Oh.
from downward dog, wait, make sure you're breathing. You begin with this belt around the front of the femur. Slowly turn so you're from the inner femur you're hanging. Good. Now, if I hold you here, can you take the right hand off the floor? And lift it, okay? Yeah. That is Ardha Chandrasana hanging. Not on your knee. No. On the top of your thigh. Okay.
Oh, that doesn't feel good.
Where's the challenge on that, Bruce? What
This length is the challenge also.
Yeah, but it doesn't feel good right here.
inner thigh?
It is very intense in the inner.
Inner thigh, yeah. Okay.
The other we did in the the cloth is softer. This is hard. But hard is better if you can tolerate because it's a bone to bone support. Take your time, there's no hurry. Still higher up if you can. Okay?
was pretty intense.
No, don't take, okay, you can take that. No, really, I'm holding this, so no need. Just hang from here. Okay? Yeah. Like that. And this is the part where the length is needed. So I'll press like that. Okay, I'm letting go here, support yourself. This has to lengthen here. Okay, hands to the floor. And to come out, hands to the floor and walk away from it. No, keep walking away.
Away.
Walking towards the hand.
Toward me.
And lift the leg up. You should slide out basically. No. Get the leg up.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I got it.